Dear students, this is a short tutorial for your lesson that we already did in the classroom, but this is only to remind you how to do properly your task or one of your tasks for your final exam. So the first thing after you open Adobe Premiere Pro is that you need to import these files, which you can see on my left corner here. So I suppose that this is good for you, and as far as I know, you are familiar with this one. So after you imported all the files that are needed, the following step is to import from this part here to the sequence layer that are stationed over here. I showed you how to do that, so you simply just click and drag over here, and basically that's it. Important thing here is that you need to layer them down one by one like this, like you can see them here. The following step is that you need to synchronize your audio files of all of the 3 layers. How will you do that? You will simply just zoom in and try to find the matching audio waveforms, which you can see in front of you right now. And after you matched all of them, the following step is to just play and listen. See? It's good. It looks good, right? So after we see that it is good, the following step is to actually add our audio file, which we recorded separately on our mixer. And I showed you also how to do that. Probably you recorded it with Audacity or Adobe Audition, but nevertheless, after you record it, you just import it below all of the layers that you have in front of you. After that, again, you need to synchronize all of the files. Let's say that we synchronized all of them and we are happy with the final result with the video and audio files that we have. The following step is like I will show you right now. So you will drag from the upper part to down like this, and then right click and go nest, which is basically the same thing which you have in your Adobe After Effects, which is called pre-compose. So nest, and after you nest the sequence, you will name it, for example, MultiCam Sequence. Then you just simply press OK. So now we have our MultiCam sequence inside this nest over here. So after we finish this one, we need to add the button below the preview window here for the MultiCam sequence. How will we do that? We will just simply go on this plus button here, and then we will go to this MultiCam view and drag it over here and then drop it here. After that, we just press OK. But now see this, when I press MultiCam, we have basically 2 cams, one from this side and one from this side. So what is wrong? The problem is that I need to click my right mouse button like this, then go to multi-camera, then go to enable. After I enable it, you should see something like this. So now from this part, it's basically simple. So you just need to you just go to the beginning of your sequence. Let's say it's here, and you find the beginning where you want the recording to start. Then just press play or your space bar on your keyboard, and then you just use you need to use your 1, 2, and 3 buttons on your keyboard. So if I press 2, then the camera will switch on number 2. If I press 3, the camera will switch on camera number 3. If I press 1, as you can guess, it will switch to camera number 1. So now this is really important for you. When you press play and then you press 2, for example, it will automatically cut. So if you go back a bit like this, you will see that the right camera, which is our preview or the final product we will see, switches. So these are basically shortcuts that we made for your videos to be cut. So now you just need to finish your project, and basically that is it. Happy New Year, and I wish you everything best in the following year, and just keep practicing. I think that you are amazing. Thank you. See ya.